Hello and welcome back to Elder Health Tips. Have you ever wondered what the secret is to a long, vibrant, and truly healthy life? What if I told you the answers have been around for thousands of years, just waiting for you to discover them? Today, we're diving deep into the ancient wisdom of Ayurveda, the traditional Indian system of medicine that's all about creating balance in your body, mind, and spirit. Ayurveda isn't just about treating illness. It's a holistic approach to living, a complete lifestyle guide that can help you feel your best at any age. So, grab a cup of herbal tea, get comfortable, and let's unlock the secrets to longevity and vitality together. So, what exactly is Ayurveda? The word itself comes from Sanskrit Ayur, meaning life, and Veda, meaning science or knowledge. So, it's literally the science of life. Originating in India over 5,000 years ago, Ayurveda is one of the world's oldest holistic healing systems. Its core belief is that health and wellness depend on a delicate balance between the mind, body, and spirit. It's not a one-size-fits-all approach. Instead, Ayurveda recognizes that each of us is unique, and our path to health will be unique too. It is about understanding your individual constitution and learning how to live in harmony with it and with the world around you. At the heart of Ayurveda is the concept of the three dashas Vata, Pitta, and Kapha. Think of these as the fundamental energies that govern our physical and mental processes. We are all born with a unique combination of these three doshas, which creates our individual constitution or prakriti. Let's break them down. First, there's Vata, associated with the elements of air and space. Vata governs all movement in the body, like breathing, blood circulation, and even the blinking of our eyes. People with a dominant Vata dosha are often creative, energetic, and lively. When Vata is out of balance, they might experience anxiety, dry skin, or digestive issues. Next, we have Pitta, which is linked to the elements of fire and water. PTA controls our metabolism, digestion, and body temperature. Think of it as the body's transformative energy. Pitta-dominant individuals are often intelligent, focused, and natural leaders. But when their Pitta is imbalanced, they can become irritable, suffer from heartburn, or develop skin rashes. It's all about keeping that inner fire in check. And finally, there's Kapha, which is made up of the elements of earth and water. Kapha provides structure, stability, and lubrication to the body. It's the energy that holds our cells together and keeps our joints moving smoothly. People with a strong Kapha constitution are typically calm, compassionate, and have a strong physique. An imbalance in Kapha can lead to weight gain, congestion, and a feeling of sluggishness or lethargy. The key is to understand your dominant dosha, or your unique mix, and make lifestyle choices that keep it in balance. So, how do we figure out our dosha? While a consultation with an Ayurvedic practitioner is the most accurate way, you can get a good idea by observing your own physical and mental traits. Are you naturally thin and always on the go? You might have a Vata constitution. Do you have a strong appetite and a sharp mind? That could be Pitta. Are you calm, steady, and have a strong build? You might be Kapha. There are many quizzes online that can give you a preliminary idea. Knowing your dosha is like having a personalized user manual for your body. It helps you understand why you feel a certain way and what you can do to bring yourself back into balance. Now, let's talk about one of the cornerstones of Ayurveda diet. In Ayurveda, food is medicine. The saying "you are what you eat" is taken very seriously. The goal is to eat foods that pacify your dominant dosha and avoid those that might aggravate it. For example, if you're a Vata type, warm, moist, and grounding foods like soups, stews, and cooked grains are your best friends. You'll want to limit cold, dry foods like raw salads or crackers. If you're a Pitta, you'll thrive on cooling, sweet, and non-spicy foods. Think cucumbers, melons, and leafy greens. You should probably go easy on the chili peppers and overly sour foods. And for Kapha types, light, dry, and warm foods are ideal. Spices, steamed vegetables, and lean proteins can help invigorate your system, while you might want to reduce heavy, oily, or dairy-rich foods. It's all about eating for your unique type. Beyond just what you eat, Ayurveda also emphasizes asterisk, how you eat. This is where the concept of Agni, or digestive fire, comes in. A strong Agni means you can digest your food efficiently, absorb nutrients, and eliminate waste properly. A weak Agni leads to indigestion and the buildup of ama, or toxins, which is considered the root cause of many diseases. To keep your digestive fire strong, Ayurveda recommends eating in a calm, settled environment, chewing your food thoroughly, and not overeating. It also suggests making lunch your largest meal of the day when your digestive fire is at its peak, and having a lighter dinner. Simple changes like sipping on warm ginger tea before a meal can also help stoke your Agni. Now let's move on to daily routines, or Ayurveda believes that aligning our daily habits with the cycles of nature is crucial for our health. This means waking up early, ideally before the sun rises, during the Vata time of day, which is full of fresh, vibrant energy. Upon waking, practices like cleaning your tongue, oil pulling with coconut or sesame oil, and drinking a glass of warm water can help detoxify the body and kickstart your metabolism. The day is then structured around balanced periods of work, exercise, and rest. For example, the best time for exercise is in the morning during the kapha time, which helps to combat sleep. Creating a consistent daily routine helps to regulate your biological clock, reduces stress, and promotes overall well-being. Of course, we can't talk about a holistic system without mentioning the mind. Ayurveda places huge importance on mental and spiritual health. Practices like meditation, mindfulness, and pranayama, or breathing exercises, are essential tools for calming the mind and balancing the Just a few minutes of quiet contemplation or focused breathing each day can dramatically reduce stress, lower blood pressure, and improve mental clarity. Remember, Vata imbalances often lead to anxiety, and Pitta imbalances can cause anger. These practices are powerful medicine for the mind, helping to soothe these tendencies and cultivate a sense of inner peace. For a long and healthy life, Ayurveda also emphasizes rejuvenation, or rasayana. This isn't just about anti-aging creams. It's a comprehensive approach to revitalizing the body's tissues and boosting immunity. This includes eating certain life-enhancing foods and herbs, like amla, ghee, and ash. It also involves practices that nourish the senses, like self-massage with warm oil, known as abhyanga. This simple practice not only moisturizes the skin, but also calms the nervous system, improves circulation, and promotes deep relaxation. Taking time for rejuvenation is like recharging your body's battery, ensuring you have the energy and vitality to live life to the fullest. So, how can you start incorporating Ayurveda into your life today? Start small. You don't need to change everything overnight. Maybe begin by identifying your dosha. Then, try adding 1 or 2 simple practices to your daily routine. Perhaps you could start your day with a glass of warm lemon water, or try to make lunch your biggest meal. Maybe you can incorporate a 5-minute meditation practice before bed. The key is consistency. As you begin to align your lifestyle with Ayurvedic principles, you'll start to notice subtle shifts in your energy, digestion, and mood. You'll feel more in tune with your body and its needs. Ayurveda is a journey, not a destination. It's a lifelong practice of self-awareness and self-care. Thank you so much for joining me on this exploration of Ayurveda. I hope it has inspired you to look at your health in a new, more holistic way. The wisdom of Ayurveda offers us a timeless roadmap to a long, healthy, and happy life, and it's accessible to every one of us. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with someone you think would benefit from this ancient wisdom. Don't forget to subscribe to Eldor Health Tips and press that bell icon so you never miss our updates on living your best, healthiest life. What was your biggest takeaway from today's video? Let us know in the comments below. We love hearing from you. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.